Okay, today we're showing you the new belt that we are currently using on all of our drive units. This is a flat belt, or it's known as a poly V belt, basically a flat belt. And unlike the tooth belt that we have been using, and we have been having trouble from the vendors getting those tooth belts so that the splice where they are molded together is exactly right, and it causes skipping and causes other problems with the drive. This rubber belt is just like the old-fashioned V belts. It is rubber. It's black rubber, as you can see, and it has more of a sticky surface on it, and it is a friction drive rather than the tooth drive of the other belt. And there's several good parts about this, and one of them is that it runs much smoother than the tooth belt. And also, because it is a friction drive, we have found that it does not need to have the tensioning nut on there. This will never have to be tensioned because it's automatically tensioned by the spring that is down inside here. So I'm going to put it on and just show you this as it goes on, so you can see what it looks like and so forth. Always put the belt on and put it on one of the big sprockets last. That's the last thing that you do on this, is to put it on last. Don't try to put it on the small sprockets last. The belt is on there now, and that's the installation. Of course, this is upside down, and we have this fixture in which we assemble the drive units in, and it's easier for us to do it upside down. You won't have that opportunity. You'll have to do it on a bench or a table or something like that, but you lean it over, put this side laying down on the bench. But this is basically it, and maybe you can see, maybe you can hear from the video just how smooth and nice that this runs. And once again, this has spring tensioning in there that takes care of the tensioning, and there does not need to be any adjustment. Now, you will find that early on when you put this on here that this belt needs some breaking in relative to the drive in it. It will slip a little bit in pedaling forward, and I'll tell you this right now, when you pedal backwards, it will always slip. But pedaling backwards is not that big a thing. It's just of course, to back up the boat when you need to get out of a dock or a situation like that. So this is the belt that we are supplying with all of our drive units now, and we're very pleased with it at this particular stage. We also pre-tension or pre-break this in. We have a fixture over here in which we set this up and run this drive unit approximately the speed that you would be pedaling it for a minimum of a half an hour. So any new drive unit that you get will get pre-broken in that way, but it'll still slip when you put it in your boat for a little bit until it gets fully broken in actual use. And that's it.